Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar office, and this machine was brought in because the portafilter was becoming dislodged and twisting while operating, and water was also pouring out the top of the portafilter, as well as a leaky steam wand over here. So we cleaned up the steam assembly, replacing the gasket, and then we did an overhaul of the E61 group head, which means we disassemble here, down here, and the lever, and basically pull all the parts out and replace all the gaskets. We soak them and descale them and brush them down, smooth them out, clean them up, put it all back together, replacing some parts if needed, and then we do a descale throughout the entire machine. As part of the tune-up, we replace the brew screen up in here along with the gasket. And now it is here, not leaking and functioning as it should. So let's test it. There we go. Beautiful. Although the pour does look a little slow, I think I put a little too much coffee in this portafilter by a couple grams, but portafilter isn't twisting, there are no leaks. Everything's looking good. And this is a single basket, so we'll stop at 1 ounce. You can hear a healthy discharge from the E61. Nice powerful steam and no leaking. And here's the hot water as well. Beautiful. And you can hear the pump activating as soon as the water has dropped below the water level probe in the boiler. So everything seems to be working great. Well, there it is, Expobar office functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.